Hey pool owners, it's Rob with Inyo Pools. Today we're going to show you how to check the salt level with test strips. Now some people might go just by the salt level on their salt system, but that's not always the most accurate, especially if you're trying to recalibrate it. So we've got these AquaCheck salt strips, and so these are a little different than your normal test strips, where the other test strips you would just swipe it in the water and then compare the results. This actually has to sit in water for a little bit. So what you do is you get about an inch of water in a little cup, and you take a strip and you go ahead and submerge it in the water, and then you'll just wait for the reaction, and it'll take a few minutes, so it's not going to be instant. It should be less than 10 minutes. So it's been about 5 minutes, and it doesn't appear to be moving any farther, and we're right about the 6.2 line. And so then you would look at the bottle. At 6.2, it's saying I have 2,960 parts per million of salt. So usually I'm shooting for about 3,200. That's different with every salt system, so you want to make sure you check your manual and see what the ideal salt level is for your pool. But that's basically how you would test your salt level using the AquaCheck salt strips. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.